Hello everyone, this is Surbhi from TrustTale. Today I will explain the sales return process. It is a process in which suppose few of the customer took some product from your store and in future due to some damage or some issues they want to few of the products. So that exchange process is possible through this application. So today I will explain how to do that exchange process. So for that first you need to go to the back end. Here you can see store management operation option is there, then click on that. Then transaction, here number of receipts are there, so here you can enter the receipt number which you want to exchange the product or items. So let's say I am selecting this receipt number. Just copy this number, then go to the front end. Right side one option is there, click on that, then go to the action, then click on sales return. Just copy the receipt number or transaction ID here, then enter. So here you can see the customer took this many products. So let's he want to exchange the starting 3 products, so delete other items. Now enter the details of the customer. If you already entered, then no need of that, just you need to enter the name here, add customer. So let's say I am adding the details of the customer here, then number, then save it. If you already save the number or the details of the customer, so no need of this add details, just search the name, let's say ABCD, and enter, then submit. Click on OK. So here you can see credit note is created and the amount is like total 135. So now the customer will take another product apart from this product. So for that you need to create new bill. So again go to the front end. So here select few items. Let's say I am selecting few items here. Now you can settle the bill. Click on settle, then go to the others option, then credit note. Here it is asking enter the credit note ID. So whatever the ID just now created, just copy that ID. So I am copying here, copy this and paste, and enter the customer number. Then click on get. So here you can see balance to be paid is like 68. Automatic that credit note amount deducted from the main balance. Now need to pay 68 rupees. Then click on OK. Then choose the mode of payment like cash or card, whatever the customer want to pay. So I'm clicking cash, and end balance need to be paid is like 68 rupees. So okay, click, then choose the cash amount or whatever you want, then enter the amount 68, then okay, done. So new bill generated. Customer exchanged 2 or 3 product in the beginning, and apart from 3 product he took 2 new products. So the total balance is 203. Credit note amount is 135 rupees and customer paid 68 rupees. So this is all about sales return process. If you have a doubt in this, then let us know so that we can clarify you. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.